Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to make a homemade airsoft gun. This is a dangerous toy. I highly recommend to be careful, and yeah, so let's get right into this video. Okay, for this build, all you only need is a pen that you can take apart towards the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to untwist it off, and so you're not going to need the back part, so you can move that away. You're not going to need the pen part, so you can throw it away. So all you need is this front part, and so right here is a spring. You're going to want to take that out, so you got to figure a way how to get it out. Once you get it out, you leave that to the side. All you need is this capsule. You can put it to the side now. So now, all you need is a party popper. Your party popper, you're going to get some scissors, and you're going to cut right around here without messing up this tube right here. This tube is very important because this is the dangerous part of it. So you need to figure a way to get it out. I prefer to try to use scissors to get it out, but I normally can't. So then I just come over here. I cut the side up like this. And once you get that, then you can rip it open. Then use your scissors and get your party popper out. Just like that. So now, you have your party popper. So put that aside again. Now, all you're going to need next is BBs. So you're going to take all three of your materials, and what you're first going to do is you're going to take this part of it, and you're going to put that in last. But you're going to take the string part of it, of the party popper, and you're going to insert that first into the tube. I normally get this corner wet, like this, and then I insert it again if it doesn't go through the first time, because it makes an easier point. And you just kind of gotta wiggle it, and just like that, you have the tip, pull it through, and it's ready to go. Next, what you're gonna need to do is you need to grab your BBs, and you're gonna want to take a couple out. Doesn't matter how many. And you're gonna want to insert a couple of them in. So I normally insert 1, 2, or 2, but the more you do, the less distance it's gonna go. So right now there's 4 in here. I'm not gonna pull it inside, but I'll go outside and let's see what it can do. Hey guys, so what you want to do is you want to have your party popper ready to go. Mine's ready to go, and then you pull it, and boom, it shoots just like that. Can't see it obviously, and you have this little piece in your string. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, and please have a good rest of your day.